So the first thing first I'm gonna be putting now is the chicken. As you can see, is in the pot now, and it's in the pot. So I'm just gonna put salt and chicken stock. So I put one of that half before, so that's just the second one. So I'm gonna be putting in a bit of thyme. So now I'm just gonna wait for the chicken to cook. Yeah, so this is the apple I'm gonna be using. So I'm just gonna use 4. And you know that kind of apple that you buy them for a while, you didn't get to eat them on time, and you start to see that you're looking weird, or you're starting to look ugly. So, and you be like, let me just put them in the bin. So you can use them. This is the type I'm talking about now. So even though I didn't get to eat them on time, you know, after they stay for a while, the texture starts to look weird and all. So then, instead of throwing them in the bin, you just use it to do the curry sauce. Use them to make curry sauce. So that's what I do. So that's the best way to recycle your apple. If you don't get to eat them while they're still crunchy, you can use them to do curry sauce. So I've just finished peeling off the skin. So I'm gonna cut them into size. So now it's all washed and all. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing now is peeling my potato. So I decided to try this red potato this time. I've never actually tried it before. I've not bought it from the shop by myself before, like try it at all. Maybe I might have eaten it in one of them restaurants, I don't know, but I've never bought this from the shop to take home. So this is my first time of buying what's it called now, the red potato. So I'm going to be peeling it. So, and I'm not saying just only red potato is what you can use for this food. You can use any potato, love, any. So this is just me buying this to try it for the first time. Hello guys, now the potato is all sliced now, so I'm gonna put the apple in the blender and blend it. So now the potato is on the gas now, so I'm gonna be putting everything together. So next thing I'm gonna be adding is salt, and cube, Maggi cube stock, whatever you call it. That's flakes chili. Onions and paprika. There's a green one and red. A bit of olive oil. And curry. It's actually turmeric. Yeah. And then the blended apple. Now I'm gonna add some water into it. And stir a bit. So guys, as you can see, everything is together now. I've got the potato, onions, and green paprika, and the red one, and the chili flakes, Maggi stock, and salt inside, and a bit of olive oil. And so and I've also added the blended apple into it. So what I need to do now is just wait for it to cook, but without forgetting, I'm adding the chicken. And the reason why I actually put just a little bit of the olive oil was because I was gonna get some oil from the chicken anyway. So that's just it, guys. Wait for it to cook for a while, and then I'll show you guys. Yeah, that's it, guys. It's all ready now. See, it's looking delicious, and I've just tasted it. It's sweet as well. So delicious. So that's it. Remember everything that we used to make this delicious apple potato porridge. So please don't forget. And also, potato is not the only thing I cook with the apple. I also make curry sauce using an apple, and that one I will not have to use any corn flour as a thickening. That one is also delicious. It's just the process of how you cook it will give it that thick, delicious look that you will need even without using a corn flour at all. So let's say you're watching your weight and you like curry sauce, that apple curry sauce would be for you. And when you try it, you're never going to use any other method to cook your curry sauce. And at the same time, it's all healthy and all of that, so you wouldn't want any other thing that is over processed. So if you want me to do a video about how I use apple to do my curry sauce, you just comment below and say the apple curry sauce, or you say the curry sauce. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Thank you. I can't even begin to thank you enough. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you've already subscribed, thank you very much. And please please don't forget to like my video as well. And another thing, and please don't forget to share. You've watched it, let your friends watch it as well. Thank you once more. Sorry, I'm just everywhere with these words now because I'm trying to finish this video so I can at the same time run to pick up my kids from school. Alright, bye. See you soon.